Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time with me today showing you this video presentation of this new 2020 Lance 1995 model. It's absolutely fantastic. It's got a lot of features inside. It's got a nice big deep slide out with lots of windows in it. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish up here on the outside. One thing I love about the Lance product is that it's got a lot of windows, it's got a lot of light coming through. It has a very open concept. This 1995 model with the door towards the rear and all that, it makes it to where you're not kind of walking right into the bed. Some people don't like walking into a doorway in the middle here. On another model we have that walks in closer to the bed. So kind of separates that area out. You also have a nice big bathroom in the rear, but also a lot of storage I'll show you. But right now let's start up front. You have your down bed, queen bed. You got storage built in, you see over there on the nightstands for both sides there. Plug-ins and light switches and all that good thing in case you need to CPAP or what have you. You also have your wardrobe closet up there and here on this side with map lights and that nice big window if you need extra light too, or you can shut that off at night. You also have a fantastic high capacity fan up here. You also have a TV that will rotate around here to be seen in the booth living area, and you also have it to where it's an LEDC TV, so you can be out there off the grid and not hooked up to power and watch some TV, maybe watch your favorite video. You also have this space here in the drawers, which are going to be pretty nice and easy to access for pots and pans. That's on both sides. You also have a nice big deep booth. That means you can sit quite a few people around it comfortably. It's also got big windows in there and dual pane windows, which are really nice for winter camping. This is also 4 seasons, so if you want to go out there and be in the rough and the cold, you can do that. You also have a couple different shades here. One that's lightly shaded, and then the other one's going to be for full privacy at night. So you also have nice finishes. The way they put up these nice window finishes around there is also nice. The table, for being a single leg, is really nice and solid as well too. Got your little fancy light features over here. Nice big oven and glass top up here as far as your foldable top on there, exposing your 3 burners there. It's nice. You've also got some splash guard protection there. You also have, it's kind of nice, you can take these little drawers and people can kind of go into the house and get what they need, maybe exchange them if they want to between trips, get more or less items, whatever. It makes it nice and portable that way. So basically you've got this counter which is nice and sealed up top up here. You also have that kind of a single large sink too, which makes it nice for usability. Also have a nice heavy duty faucet there. It's a pull down faucet in it. You've also got the storage overhead here with a little shelf, microwave, lights, the stainless steel option here that's also inserts on the fridge. The freezer makes it nice. You also, in the bathroom here, it's going to be a pretty good sized bathroom. You've got your corner shower, your foot pedal flush toilet there, skylight, as well as a vent up in the bathroom, and you've got your medicine cabinet, your storage and sink in there. So it's a nice good sized bathroom. Also, as you get towards the back over here, we have all this space here I like real well too. You can see that it's got the soft close, which is another nice feature to have here on those. And you've got this wardrobe space on there, as well as, if I get this out of the way for the camera, you can see it's also a nice big closet in there too. So you'll love that, right? Never can have too much storage. Big grab assist handle, double step exit there, an entrance. You also have a real heavy duty ladder. If you ever need to get up on there, we recommend you take advantage of Guaranty's free roof inspections twice a year. Be real careful whenever you go up on your own roof for any kind of service. It does have a backup camera all set up on there, which is nice to have. And you got a nice lighted for your license plate there. Also got your outside shower, your plug-in, your black tank flush. Very few companies really do storage underneath the booth, but look at all that. How nice that is. Nice thick compartment doors. You also have that storage and that tray that you can slide out from the other side. A battery disconnect, you may have seen that red little lever right there. Place for your battery here. You also have 3 tanks here, not just 2, but 3 of the 5-gallon tanks. They're easy to carry and they last a long time. If you have any questions, let me know. I can talk to you about that at the end of the video. You'll see a phone number. Right here is going to be one of these more specialized type of power tongue jacks that has some memory to it. So in the event you get it off your vehicle, and you know that you're going to put it back on later before you leave. It's nice to have a button you can touch and have it go to the right height. So if you have any questions about this particular vehicle or any of the numerous ones that we do have at Guaranty here, I've been here 29 years. I'd love to answer questions for you. My name is Tom.Peterson, and again, call me at that number at the end of the video. Remember, in Junction City at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.